All right, ladies and gents. As you've seen in Spanish, we have a different keyboard in Spanish, so you're able to enter accents and squiggly lines or squiggly lines over your ends, called the inye. So I'm going to show you how to set up your keyboard in a PC, how to do that. And if you have a Mac, I'll show you how to do that on another video. Okay, so first you need to go into your Start menu, and then you need to go to Control Panel, and there's an area that says Clock Language and Region. You go to Change Keyboards or Other Input Methods, and then here you can go to there's different little things up here. You go to Keyboards and Languages, go to Change Keyboards right there, and here you can add keyboards. You see right here, right now, the only one is the English United States keyboard. If you want to add another one, you click on Add, and you're going to find the one that you want. So in this class, we're going to use Spanish. Let's just go all the way down to Spanish. Obviously, we're going to use Spanish, but there's one for every country. I think most of them are probably the same, but let's go with Mexico. And let's click on keyboard right there. And you can hit OK, theoretically. Actually, I need to hit that. Okay, and then I go to Latin America right there, Latin American. And then you can click OK. And now that keyboard is available. So let me show you how to get access to it. Let me see. Also, notice there's a language bar. You can have it floating on desktop. You can have it docked in the taskbar. So down here you'll have an option that has the different languages, or up here it's available. So let's see. All right. So now that that's entered into your computer, you can change it. So right down here, well, you guys can't see that. Let's see if I can extend this bar here. Maybe. I hope you guys can see that. I'll check the video. Okay, so down here where it says EN, that stands for English, you can click on that, and you can actually change it to ES, Spanish, Mexico. Okay, so you do that, and now the keyboard is set up in Spanish. So everything's pretty much the same in Spanish as in English, but on the side of the keyboard, let me show this to you. Here's a little guide as to what the keyboard looks like. So we have on our regular keyboards, we have K, L, and then normally next to the L on our keyboards, we have like a colon and semicolon. Right there, we have the inye instead. Okay, and right here is the accent mark. Okay, so if you want to use the accent mark, you end up clicking on, in our case, it would be the brackets. What it looks like on your keyboard. Well, if I get rid of that, you click on the bracket. Actually, it's not. It's still in English here. Spanish. Okay, so you click on the bracket. My goodness. You click on the bracket in English, and then you click on the letter. See, so I click on the bracket again, I get E. So we have an E with an accent over it. If I want to click on the inye, it's the one next to the L, which in our case is a semicolon, semicolon. Just type it, and there it is. Okay, so if you have any questions, holler.